What if your iPhone could ask who's calling and why before you ever picked up? Today I'll show you how to turn on your call screening so your iPhone can gather more information from unknown callers automatically. So let's open up the settings and then head to apps. Let's find the iPhone app, but instead of scrolling forever, let's tap the search bar and type phone, and then select it when it appears, and scroll to the section labeled Screen Unknown Callers. Choose how the calls are handled. You'll see two options: silence, which will send unknown numbers straight to voicemail, or ask reason for calling. When an unknown number calls, your iPhone asks the caller to state their name and reason for calling. You'll get a notification that the call is being screened. Tap View to read a live transcript of the call while it continues. You can reply by typing a message or choose one of the suggested replies like send more information. And if you decide the caller is legit, just slide the button to answer. And that's it. With call screening in iOS 26, you'll always know who's calling and why before picking up.